not just a channel. This is the voice of the people. Welcome to Acholi Pro Evo TV, Acholi Professional Evolution Television. You are home for authentic citizen reporting, breaking news, politics, culture, music, and entertainment from northern Uganda and beyond. We tell real stories from real communities, from the streets to the villages, from power to the people. Showcasing Acholi of Uganda and South Sudan, celebrating Luo heritage, and amplifying voices often ignored. Exclusive interviews, community stories, breaking news as it happens, citizen journalism blended with professional digital media. Stay informed, stay inspired, stay connected. Subscribe to Acholi Pro Evo TV. The evolution is here.